pigeons. Look at the pigeons.
Head with the pigeon.
Oh, they like the rice.
Five in with the pigeon.
What are they eating, Nak? They are eating. What's that?
This.
Ano yung palay sa
Rice.
rice lang din, diba? Kala ko may iba pa. Wow! Hindi mailap eh, no? Tignan mo. Kahit nandito tayo, hello! Ang lapit lang namin eh.
Oh, pigeons. What do you eat?
What do you eat, pigeons? Ang lapit lang kay baby.
Spicy.
Salamat po sa Diyos. Salamat po. Brad Luis. Si Little Sis Taylor Kelly for my handa. For my birthday in certificate. Ano yun? PSA. Birthday in papers. November 24.
Sabay yan, sabay.
And also to my Sabbath yesterday, November 23, 2024. Salamat po sa Diyos.
Boy.
Hoy, pigeons, do you wanna eat with us? Oh, they're going. They're going, Kelly. Oh.
Is it your Kelly?
Pigeon. Head with. Head pigeon.
Hi, happy pigeons. Look at the pigeons, nak, oh. Ang cute, oh. Lumalapit talaga.
No.
What color is the pigeon, nak? What color are the pigeons?
Black.
Black. You wanna eat now? Okay. Well, let me see. Ay, hindi ka na picturean. Ang liit lang din naman. Ang cute. Bento cake. Ay, inalis na yung mata. Ano yan? Chocolate cake. Bento. Pinakamaliit.
Lagyan mo ako dito.
Cute size lang, oh. And this one, ano to, Malco? Ginataang pork. And this one, pansit. Pansit canton. Gisado. Salamat po sa Diyos. Wala pa. Salamat sa Diyos, Daddy, and baby Kelly. Let's eat. Salamat sa Diyos sa handa ng aking asawa at pinagluto ako. Salamat sa Diyos. Ingatan nawa, samahan nawa. What will you say?
Oh, hi pigeons. Hi pigeons.
Bye-bye.